Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Amanda.
Amanda. Very nice. Tell me, how old are you?
I'm 8.
8. Wow, that's nice. Tell me, are you ready to start? Yes?
Yes.
Good. Give me a high five. Let's go, Amanda. And first, let's talk about the alphabet. Tell me, please, what letter is this?
C.
And what sound?
K.
Okay, what about this letter?
I.
Sound.
E.
What letter is this?
S.
Sound.
S.
Okay, what about this letter?
Z.
Sound.
G.
Z. Okay, very good. Amanda, tell me please, how do you spell your name?
A-M-A-N-D-A.
Amazing. Can you please write your name? A, M, let's say A, very good. Yes. That's right. Thank you very much. That's great. All right, Amanda, let's continue. Tell me, please, what is this?
N.
And. What is the first letter for it?
A.
A. Great. What is this?
Elephant.
And the first letter?
E.
Okay. What is that?
Hat.
And the letter?
Egg.
Very nice. Tell me, what is this?
Fish.
Starts with letter?
F.
Okay. What is this?
Car.
Starts with letter?
C.
And this is a?
Duck.
Dog. What's the first letter?
D.
Great. Tell me, please, what is this?
Goat.
Goat. How do you spell goat?
G-O-A-T.
Amazing. What is this?
Sun.
How do you spell sun?
S-U-N.
Very good. What is this?
Monkey.
How do you spell monkey?
N-O-N-K-E-Y.
That's great. Okay. The last part. Tell me, what is this?
Yes.
This is a?
Bear.
And this is a?
Fox.
Okay. Write me all 3 words. Jet, bear, and fox. We start with jet and letter J. E. T. Great. Then bear. B. E. A. Letter R. R. Fox. F. O. X. Okay, that's an F. It's the other way around. Yes. Okay, now it's great. Thank you very much, Amanda. High five. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.